moti makoch makamano. Kawadhi mbele ni doho ma Machakos dhi ng'ado bura kaponi ibiro chung muko mar udi masani timore e lop East African Portland Cement mantiere ka chung od bura ma Mavoko. Bura makamano nomaki kod riwruok mar Aimi ma Kenya mane uso ne ji plode makoro kambi mar simiti no osebedo kamuko. Bura makamano bende no oyuore kod jodito ma kweth siasa mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kamoting'o Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa to kod Mwangi wa Iria. Gavana ma Machakos Wavinya Ndeti bende nochope burano ka kaunti mare bende koro okwayo noketgi kaka achiel kuom jogo momako bura makamano.
Mr. Otieno is on record, but is yet to get locus as his application for joinder is yet to be heard. Therefore, at this point, he is precluded from submitting on the matters before court this morning. Can you check the senior counsel?
A lady,
most of them.
Yes.
My colleague, Mr. Sumi, will address you on the point of law.
Yes.
Rejoinder and our response. But let it be known, my lady, that we are talking about 4,298 acres, a large chunk of land, not as previously reported in the media, it's 4 acres. You will have noticed, my lady, that in your courtroom this morning are representatives of all the affected people. This matter has brought to the fore the unfortunate suspension of people's basic rights, human rights. And we reiterate this is a matter of urgent national importance. And that you are called upon, my lady, to stand yet again in the gap and deliver justice.
Speaker Marod Burama Senator